$50 billion, folks. That's what Amazon just dropped, and it's shaking up the whole market. Let me tell you, today's crypto news is a wild ride. First up, XRP. Now, this one's been a hot topic, right? It looks like XRP is edging towards what we call a macro shift. Think of it like this. The price action has been forming what experts call an expanding diagonal. Don't let the fancy terms scare you. It basically means the price swings are getting wider, kind of like a spring coiling up. And now it's hitting a breakout momentum. That's when the price pushes past a key level, suggesting a big move is coming. So all eyes on XRP to see if this big shift actually plays out. This is not financial advice. Now let's talk Bitcoin. We're seeing some serious movement here. Over the last 24 hours, a whopping 87,464 Bitcoin just left institution-tagged wallets. What are those, you ask? Simple. These are wallets linked to big players, like exchanges, funds, or major corporations. When that much Bitcoin moves out, it can mean a few things. Either these big guys are shifting their holdings around, maybe to different storage solutions, or they could be getting ready to sell, which could put some pressure on the price. Or they might be moving it to cold storage, which is a good sign for long-term holding. It's a big chunk of change, so everyone's watching to see what this means for the king of crypto. And speaking of big money, remember that $50 billion I mentioned? Amazon just announced a massive $50 billion investment in AI for its US government customers. And guess what? That news sent a ripple through the entire market. Both traditional stocks and crypto saw a nice tick up. It just goes to show you, when a tech giant like Amazon makes a play that big, it boosts confidence across the board. People see that kind of innovation and investment, and they feel good about the economy, which often spills over into riskier assets like crypto. It's all connected, see? Big tech moves, market reacts. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.